So, welcome everyone to our 2023 Sabroe HyePAC partner event. What I'm leaving as a legacy is all down to our products and also you, our channel partners.
So myself and my regional sales teams looking forward to spend these 2 days together with all of you, having fruitful discussions and providing you more insights on our Sabroe offering and capabilities with a main focus on our heat pump range.
One in 5 projects across Europe are powered by JCI technology. And with a broad portfolio and with the further investments that we're doing, increasing the temperature capacity, localizing more, increasing our manufacturing footprint, I think we're very well positioned to capture that opportunity and work as a reliable partner.
Right now we're focusing a lot on the high supply temperature, 120 degrees, but it's also really important to highlight the capability to utilize sources all the way up to 90 degrees. Right now we have all heat packs, we have all dual packs. We're working on adding the HyePAC product series and also the HyePAC.
So close your eyes, because here it is, HyePAC. Heat pack, dual pack, or HyePAC. And then, I should say, we have our mascot, not Dietmar, but the forerunner.
So outside there's coffee, cake. Here on the ground floor for the breakout rooms on the first floor. Don't worry, there's also coffee and cake on the first
Don't try to oversell it. So if you say I want 90 and you say, hey, do you want, maybe you want 95 or 100. Go down to, let's say, 65% through the heat exchanger.
But it's a price, so you can rely on quick and accurate pricing. And then it'll also be implemented in LCC tool where you can do calculation of the service interval and the total cost of ownership.
That was it. Ciao. Pretty catch the bus. Those of you who have brought your own safety shoes, please remember to bring them. If it's raining, cats and dogs, so just bring the cats.
In the forest, there's a path